What if I tell you a way where Harvard University professors can teach you in learning English, can guide you in learning English? You might think, what? That is totally impossible. For this, we have to travel and we have to get admission in an Harvard University, which is totally impossible. Yes, it is impossible, but you can make the professors teach you, and for free. For free, you can learn English from a high profile university professors. You can learn just by sitting at home, just being in your pajamas. All you have to do is just wake up and sit and start learning and become fluent in English with the help of those high profile professors who are teaching in those universities. And if you are getting up morning, you have to go and brush your teeth, you need toothpaste and you need brush, which you have to afford. But for this, you don't even have to afford that, because it is going to be totally free. You can start anytime you want, you can stop anytime you want, and you can do at any time. You can finish this course at any time, and you can do all these just by learning from MOOC. Have you heard of this term? I don't think so. If not, then you are missing a great opportunity. You have wasted your time. So in today's video, I'm going to tell you some of the courses for free, which can give you certificates also, which will be so useful whenever you apply for a job, or whenever you are starting your business, or whatever field it is. These courses are going to help you in a far better way, and also it will definitely improve your English as well. Hello there, what's up people? It's me Jaya. You're watching me on The Expound. Let's get into the video. Did you know what this MOOC is first? If not, then let me tell you what it is. It is massive open online course where there are so many number of websites which is present, which will provide you courses where you can learn English properly and become fluent and confident. And they also provide certificates, which is so valuable. So there are so many other learning apps such as Udemy and Coursera, which will just provide you courses for paid. None of the courses will be free. If it is free, then that won't be that much worth it. So this courses which I'm going to tell you right now, this is absolutely free, and the professors from high profile universities, they are going to teach you. So the first one which I want to tell you is MOOC, which is Massive Open Online English Course. So here they actually concentrate upon English more. So there is so many levels from beginner to advanced. So you can actually check what condition you are and how your English is, and you can select your course according to that. And for the beginners who are starting to learn English in online, this is the best course for you, because this will provide courses in a short way. It won't be much longer. You can just spend 1 hour in a week and then finish this course. So the benefit is that if your online learning is not suitable for you, then you can drop out at any time. You can stop learning at any time. And some of the main course which I would recommend you to take is English Communication course and Common Mistake course, where you can learn lot more stuff within this 2 course only. So this you should definitely try it. And the next free course is edX. This is one of the oldest courses since the digital platform have been developed. This is a course which have been from the very beginning, just like from 2006 or 2007. So this is from Harvard or MIT kind of expensive universities, where many kind of experienced professors are going to come and teach you. So the only problem is that the course might be somewhat long. So there are courses according to your talent. So suppose if I have a problem with vocabulary and I'm not able to talk English properly, there is a separate course for that. And if I think that I am able to understand everything but I'm not able to deliver it, then that means your fluency, you don't have any fluency. So you have a separate course for that also. So when it comes to English learning, there are so many other courses which is present, and all you have to do is just complete that in a right time, because if you take a little bit longer, then you might not get a better experience with it, because you might totally feel boring. And also, coming to the certificates, they provide free certificates, but you have to start signing up, and while signing up you have to check all the terms and conditions, and you have to verify whether you will get the certificate for free, because there are some courses where you are able to attend the course, you can learn the course, but the certificates won't be provided to you for free, and you have to pay some amount of money for that. So if you don't want that to happen, I would request you to just study the terms and conditions. So it will help you also if you're not able to afford to get the certificate. So there is a thing called financial assistant program. So if you're not able to pay the money for your certificate, you can slowly pay, and they will also reduce your certificate's cost for that. So you can try this method also. So the main courses which I would request you to take is English grammar and style and conversational English skills, which will develop you when you are, if you are a beginners, and it will provide you all the basics to start learning. And the next course which might give you a free certificate along with the course is Allison. So this is also one of the reputed online courses, one of the reputed MOOC. So go to that website and log in or sign up and start learning. Some of the examples of the course which I would like you to attend is Diploma in Basic English Grammar and English for Business and Entrepreneurship. So just by learning these courses and logging in and learning these courses, you will be able to know how to perform or how to present your English in a good way, because the teachers are itself so experienced. So thank you so much for watching, guys. If you like this video, give it a like or subscribe my channel if you can, and tell me in the comment what you actually feel good about this video, or whether it have helped you or something. Tell me, or any queries also you can ask me in the comment. I will try to answer it. Share this video with someone who really want to learn English through courses, or if they don't know any other path, just then send them this video. Thank you so much. Until the next video.